Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a demo account on MT4 or even MT 5. So you can go ahead and launch up the app. So here I have MT 5, for example. Same process though on MT 4 as well. Here at the top left, you click on File. You get this drop down and click on Open an Account. Okay, and then I want you to just search up MetaQuotes. Right here, just type it in, MetaQuotes. Click Find Your Company. And I want you to click on this one, click on Next, okay? Then you'll see this, open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk, okay? Go ahead, click Next, create your account, right? Like this, enter your details, your first name, second name, date of birth, just have an email, phone number, things like that. You pick your server, in this case will be MetaQuotes Demo, okay? You can pick your account type, the deposit, leverage, and once you're done with it, they'll give you login credentials. And then you just come here, you click on connect with an existing trade account, enter the login, the password, the server, make sure you choose MetaQuotes Demo, and hit finish. Okay? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.